diving smoothly into English. Understanding, like a fish to water. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase that's as vivid as it is expressive, like a fish to water. This idiom paints a vivid picture and carries a meaningful message. So, if you're ready to swim through the nuances of English expressions, let's get started. At its core, like a fish to water, describes a situation where someone takes to a new environment or activity effortlessly and naturally, just as a fish swims effortlessly in water. It's used to highlight a person's innate ability or adaptability in new circumstances. Imagine a fish being released into water. It doesn't hesitate or struggle. It simply swims away gracefully. That's the essence of this phrase when applied to humans and their interactions with new experiences. The beauty of idioms lies not just in their meanings but also in their stories. While the exact origin of "like a fish to water" isn't pinpointed to a specific moment in history, it's rooted in the universal observation of how fish are in their element when in water. This phrase captures the seamless integration of beings into their natural or well-suited environments, and over time, it has swum its way into the English language, becoming a staple expression to denote natural compatibility or skill. Now, let's see how to integrate "like a fish to water" into our conversations and writings. Describing natural talent. As soon as she picked up the guitar, she took to it like a fish to water, creating melodies that seemed to flow effortlessly. Adapting to new environments. He moved to the new city for his job, and within a week, he had taken to it like a fish to water, making friends and finding his way around like a local. Expressing immediate comfort. The moment she stepped into the dance studio, she was like a fish to water, moving with a grace and confidence that surprised everyone. Interestingly, "like a fish to water" has its variations and similar expressions that convey the same idea. Phrases like a duck to water" are also used with the same intention, highlighting how some animals are inherently suited to their environments, which can metaphorically apply to people and their adeptness in particular situations. And that's a wrap on "like a fish to water." We hope this deep dive has illuminated not just the meaning of the phrase but also how it reflects the beauty of language in capturing the essence of human experience and ability. Remember, English is a vast ocean of expressions, and with each phrase we explore, we're swimming closer to mastery. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you again soon for another linguistic adventure. Keep learning and keep swimming smoothly through English.